Hi, it's Lori Kane from the Baltimore Plastic Surgery Office of Dr. Dean Kane. Well, mask up and all we get to see is eyes and forehead. So what can we do to rejuvenate that part of us, which is all we see nowadays? And I want to talk about all the different things we can do so that your eyes look refreshed and bright and welcoming. Dysport is a neurotoxin that we inject along here to give us the nice elevation of a non-surgical brow lift. It gets rid of the 11s here, horizontal lines here, and helps with crow's feet. So in terms of giving us a beautiful elevation of the brow, we use Dysport. In terms of the lower lid, there's a couple things we could do there. One thing people don't ever think about is chemical peels. And the kind of peel I'm talking about is actually not a lunchtime peel. It's actually a strong TCA peel. And it's actually something I do yearly. You have to prepare for this peel though. And if you want like this level of smoothness, we use a chemical peel in which Dr. Kane applies the chemical peel, and it takes about 3 to 4 days to peel away. You're left with brand new skin, tighter, smoother skin. I have been doing this every single year for the past 25 years. I've never had my lower eyelids done, and you can see how beautifully smooth they are. Okay, crow's feet. Yes, Botox and Dysport all help with crow's feet, but you still get the smile lines. What can we use for that? We have a brand new filler called Rejuvenate. It's amazing filler. It kind of goes in like butter. And so it's this nice, fine, thin filler that can fill in along these very fine lines, and it just melts and it doesn't leave you lumpy, bumpy. We also use that same filler for the 11s. So let's say you've been doing Botox, Dysport for years, but you still see the creasing in the skin. Because once you crease the skin, you have to plump it. And the only way to do that is to really use a filler. This particular filler, which is brand new, we've had it now for about 3-4 months. We love it. I have it here. You can see I'm really smooth. You don't see any creasing. That's called Rejuvenate. Rejuvenate's number 2, actually. And it's injected here. We inject it along the horizontal lines. And I actually do fillers in my forehead at least once a year. And also on my crow's feet, and that just takes away the actual creasing in the skin. And so these are different ways to rejuvenate the entire forehead and eyes and lower lids without any surgery. One other thing to add into the mix is fillers. I do love my fillers, and I do use, I'll pull it down for a minute, I do use fillers in my cheeks to give me that plumping up. Gets rid of the hollowness, gives me a nice full cheek. So I really do love my fillers in my cheeks. So for a complete non-surgical rejuvenation, think of the Dysport, think of Rejuvenate, which is your fine lines, think of a chemical peel, fillers for the cheeks. All right, you got it done. All right, so keep those masks up, eyes out, and you'll look beautiful. Give us a call, 410-602-3322. And check out our website for drdeankane.com, and you'll see a lot of these before and afters. All right, call us.